Hello dear students. Let us now look at our next task, that is notice writing. This question carries 5 marks. So here we go. Let's suppose that we write the notice on the 10th of March. And we all know that notice writing carries 5 marks. So we begin writing the notice from the center of the page. In the first line, the creative title. No words are to be taken from the question or the event. I give you an example. Splash the colors. That means this is something concerning a painting competition. Next line, we write down the event. Inter-house painting competition or inter-school painting competition. Both the creative title and the event carry 1 mark each. Next line, we write down the date, which is written same as we write in the letter. The date here has to be at least 14 to 15 days after you have written the notice. So like I have written 24th March 2026. This carries half a mark. In the next line, we write the time. For example, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now there will be a dot after A and after M. There will be a dot after P and dot after M. This also carries half a mark. Next line, we write the venue. Now remember, it has to be the small venue first, followed by the big venue. Small venue is the hall or the area where the painting competition is being conducted. So I've given the example of Whitehall, and the big venue is, after a comma, St. Xavier's campus. So both carry half mark each. Now comes the invitation to the students. So this whole concluding line carries 1 mark. So you're going to write students from classes 6 to 10 are invited to participate. This has to be there. This is all in the concluding line. Interested students can give their names to the activity in charge, that's the designation, comma, Miss S. Gupta, this is an example given to you, the name of the activity in charge, by a certain date, that is 2 days after you have written the invitation. So you wrote the notice on the 10th, and 12th you asked them to submit their names, to give their names. So 1 mark is for the concluding line. I again repeat, the submission date is 2 days after the date of writing the notice. So you wrote the notice on the 10th. So the submission date is 12th. And the date of the event is 14 to 15 days after the date of writing the notice. So this is how your notice looks like.